Demolition of the main building continued throughout the month of May. The main offices and conference room walls are now completely gone. Faded marks on the floor serve as ghostly reminders of where the walls once stood. With the cafeteria temporarily closed, the students still enjoyed their picnic-style lunches. As a special treat, Chef Jim rolled out the grill and cooked up some tasty hot dogs, filling the air with their enticing aroma.
Hot dogs smell good. They smell like barbecue, and Chef Jim makes the best hot dogs ever.
Meanwhile, we took delivery of a large quantity of pipes and fittings. These pipes will carry the chilled water for the new air conditioning system. The crew dug trenches in which to lay the pipes. Sections of sidewalk had to be cut out with a giant power saw to prepare for the installation. May 24th, the last day of school. Students enjoyed themselves with frozen treats, reading for pleasure, and, of course, swimming. Soon after we all said goodbye for the summer break, another fence went up on the west side of the main building, completely closing it off from the outside world. Exactly what is happening behind the fence? And what will become of this load-bearing wall? Check back for the next vlog to find out.